friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Riverside Meadows, a historic neighborhood in Red Deer, Alberta. Nestled along the banks of the Red Deer River, this community is one of the city's oldest and most scenic areas. It first began to develop in the early 1900s when settlers were drawn to the river's natural beauty and easy access to trade routes. Over the years, this neighborhood has grown into a mix of classic character homes and new developments. Whether you're walking the trails, exploring the past, or just soaking up the views, Riverside Meadows invites you to slow down and enjoy the heart of Red Deer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Thanks for watching.